The look your bird gives you when you've switched to healthy pellets. Yes, they look. They're like, where are our seeds? What the hell is going on? They kind of glance at the healthy pellets and absolutely don't take them. Yep, that's how it's going with the healthy pellets, isn't it? And they're wondering where their other food dish is that I've just removed, because we need to start eating healthier. I know you don't like it, but eventually you will. You like it. Just give it a chance. You haven't even tried the healthy pellets yet. Once you try them, you might like them. So why don't you try them, okay? Who's going to be first? Just taste it. You might realize you like it. Sure, they don't look like seeds, but they have everything you need to be a healthy bird. You guys, you are not pleased with me, are you? No? Give it time. Give it time. Just try it. Just try it. Don't fight about it. Just try it. I know you're hungry. You give it a chance? Well, you haven't even tried it yet. Nope. That is twice now. You're going to have to eat it eventually, because you're not going to get any other food until you at least try it. Okay? That's just water. It's like, where are my seeds? Where are my seeds? What did you do with our seeds? We want that junky food seeds. Okay, she's gonna look at it. Maybe she'll like it. Come on, just try it. Yes, it takes a woman to actually appreciate the health food. Olivia loves it. Yay! Alright, she's like, it's healthy, tastes good. Good job, Olivia.